with putting this piece together. So we're going to take this part, we're going to go to the back of where our motors are, and in this hole and in this hole here, we're going to match up our black pieces and line that up, and then snap that into place. Now you should already have your controller fully charged, and if yours isn't together, we're using a rechargeable battery. You're just going to line up this side with the notches here and then snap that into place. And then your controller's together. So once you have your controller together, then we are good to mount that onto the base that we've constructed. So we're going to take it and we're going to line up these black pegs into these holes here and here. Okay, now we're going to add some extra supports on the side. So you'll need one small blue peg, one small black peg, and a white bent bracket piece. So we're going to take our blue peg, and that is going to go so that the rounded side is in this hole. And then our black peg is going to have its placement in this hole. And then we're going to line up this piece so that the long side is matching up with the blue peg and the black peg we just put into place, and then we're going to line it up with the blue and the black down below. And that's just going to snap on like that. Next you'll need a wheelbase and the tire. You're just going to snap those together, one inside the other. And then that is going to attach down on our gray piece down here. And then you're going to take one of these flipper looking like locks, and you're going to put that over the tire so that it locks that wheel into place. Then we're going to turn our device around, and we're going to follow the same steps on the other side. So in the flat end, we're going to have a blue piece in this side, and in the first circle, I have a black piece in there. Actually, I think, yeah, because I want it to go this way, it's going to be on this side. So it looks like that. And then this is going to line up top here, and it's just going to give a little more support to our controller mounted on our robot. And then we're going to have another tire. I'm going to just snap that together. And going to slide into place. You might need to hold the other side when you're putting the tire into place. And then you're going to use one of these white pieces just to lock that on. Next, we're going to take a 14-inch cable, and we're going to attach it into the B spot here. And then the other end is going to go into the front over here, but it's going to work best if you can feed it so that that cable doesn't get in the way. It's going to pop in to power this motor. And then we're going to take a second one. And the second one is going to go into the C. And we're also going to feed this one through. And that's going to go in on this side to power the other wheel. Okay, next we're going to put together the color sensor. And so to do that, you're going to need a light gray 3 measurement rod. We're going to put that piece into this black connection piece, like that. Okay, so we are now going to take this piece and put this through here so that sticks out. And then we have this other Z-shaped black piece, and we are going to snap that into place. And so this piece is now going to connect onto here. And then we're going to take another 14 measure cord, pop it into the back of this side, and then we're going to run it through here, and that's going to go into slot number 3. Okay, next we're going to get one of the push sensors, and so for this we are going to take a gray piece with one of these small black pieces and push that into place. And then that's going to go through like this. And we're going to take this piece and line up the rod in the middle. Should snap right into place like that. And then this piece is going to connect like that. And then we'll need another 10-inch cord. And that's going to connect into the back of the sensor. And we want to run it back here so that it doesn't interfere with our wheels at all. And then that's going to go into slot 1. So now we have 2 sensors on the front. And that is our completed robot at this point, that will be able to sense when something's in front of it and sense colors in front of it. Thanks for watching.